M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel, and I would like to firstly thank Andy Taylor from Pi-Star for working with Carl at dbmega to keep our Genesis node hotspots working perfectly, and this will cover the 2.8, 3.5, the 5-inch and the 7-inch. And remember, these hotspots are fantastic. From the screen you can change reflectors, you can update Pi-Star, you can update your DMR IDs. They send POCSAG messages on the screen, that's pager messages on the screen, and so much more. They've got up-to-date maps, and all the information is on the screen with the history, you know, what version of firmware you're running, and so much more, even the IP address that we're using right now to look. So we're going to have to run 3 commands in SSH configuration, so just carefully watch my steps. The commands are going to be in the description, numbered 1, 2 and 3. So let's just go ahead and do that. So log in as normal to your hotspot, select configuration like so, then go across to expert at the top here in the middle, and then SSH on the far right hand side here. And we're now ready to start entering some commands. We do need to log in first, and to log in you type, so we're at the login screen, Pi-Star, PI, flatline, STAR, hit enter. Password, Raspberry, RASPBERRY. Okay, and then you'll get to this screen. Now we need to add the command to make it writable. So I'll paste these into the description. So rpi-rw, enter, and it now says RW instead of RO at the end on the green text. Now we're going to copy and paste the first text. So paste it. I'm going to number these 1, 2 and 3 in the description. So copy it, right click, select paste, you get this new window, and then paste there, enter. And you don't see anything change, but it's going in. Watch what happens. There you go. It's very quick. Now ignore everything that it says. Just keep going through the process. So number 1 is done. Now copy number 2 in the description. Right click, paste from browser, paste it into the window, click OK. That's the next one. You're nearly there. Again, copy the last one, paste in the window, click OK. I'm going quite fast, but the commands are numbered 1, 2 and 3 in the description. You can't go wrong. Ignore that it says legacy already exists. And that is it. And now, after a reboot, you'll find that all the buttons are working on your Genesis node, and you can update as normal. Just do not update the firmware of the hat, which is written on the left-hand side. I'll show you that. Then we can go back to our dashboard. Everything's working. You can now update, you can upgrade. The one thing you can't do is update the firmware on the hat in your Genesis node. So if you look here on the left, it says just underneath this red line here, firmware HS hat version 1.5.2. Don't touch that until Carl, Andy Taylor and the team at dbmega let you know. But otherwise, everything's working perfectly. You can use all the configuration, the dashboard, everything as normal, and you do have, in my opinion, M0FXB, the best hotspot you can get, and very good value as well. The 7-inch one is just, amazing. How amazing. It's just a brilliant device. Thanks very much. If you need advice, you can contact Carl at dbmega or message me anytime. We're here to provide support where needed. Bye for now. 7.3 M0FXB Hamtech.